my YouTube channel, and it got heavier. I don't know if I'll be going to the shop sooner or not. I have to scream because if I talk quietly, you can't hear me. Okay, I have to ask for the rain to go away. Give me a second, guys. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Oh my gosh. Can you guys hear me or not? Oh my gosh, why am I being sarcastic? I can't be in this weather. Rain, rain, go away. Oh shoot. Got some water on me. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. No, the ceiling is not leaking. It's just my umbrella. Rain, rain, go. Oh my gosh, I have terrible singing. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Everyone chant with me. Everyone say it with me. Oh my gosh. I hate you, rain. We're not friends anymore. Just kidding, guys. I'm not friends with weathers. Why? I'm so cringe. Why would I say that? Anyways. Rain, rain, go. Guys, follow me. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Simon wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Go away, go away. Did you guys see my double chin? Go away, come another day. Oh shoot, what am I doing? Oh my gosh, that almost fell. My dad's phone. It almost fell. Oh, you gotta be kidding me, bro. I hate you, Rain. I can't even get my toy in peace. You gotta be kidding me, bro. You gotta be kidding me. No, I'm serious. You have got to be kidding me. I don't think this hoodie will survive. It's my only purple hoodie, and I love it forever. I also have another purple hoodie. We got the purple drip. I love these purple pants. No, I did not pee on them. Oh, you gotta be kidding me, bro. This won't end. Okay, I should just chill out here for a few times. If only my dad didn't take so much time to make coffee. Oh my gosh, you gotta be kidding me. And bread. I mean, it's pretty, he bought bread and he's cooking it. Oh my gosh! Get away, Storm. Let me try. Yeah, I won't survive a bit out there. I won't survive a bit out there, man. I won't survive a bit, man. You gotta be kidding me, bro. You've got to be kidding me. Wait, guys, I'll be right back. I'll call my parents and talk with them for a bit. Okay, guys. Be careful. Okay, guys, I'm back, and they said it's raining now. I don't care if it's raining. We have an umbrella. This will fit all of us three in here, but I'm not tall enough, so it won't fit them. I mean, if I put it up high, it can. Excuse me again. I keep burping so much, but why? Okay, I asked the rain to go away, and it actually listened. What the hell? I told my parents that... Oh, shoot. No, it just got stuck. I told my parents that it stopped raining and they can come out, but they're not coming out. What are they doing? What are they doing, bro? What the? Okay, I might as well give him some privacy because he's trying to clean his butt. Hi, Soldier. Bye, Soldier. I'll make a video about my cat, Soldier. Kitten, I meant kitten. Cute little kitten. He's so scary. I'll teach him how to shoot a gun. No, not that idiot. That idiot. Can see how scary he looks, right? With his orange dot and his soldier hat. That's his mom. Oh my gosh. And that's his brother. And that's his other brother. Don't worry, guys. I checked all their behinds to tell if they're male or female. If they have a butt, they're male. And everything has a butt. But they have bipples. How? How can you have that when you're a man as an animal? I don't know, but still. Orange Jr. looks so cute. If you don't know how I named him Orange Jr., it's because Stud's cat. He has a cat that looks just like this. But the only thing is that his cat is a adult cat and his name is Orange. So I decided to name him Orange Jr. because he's a junior version, a baby version of Orange. Whatever, man. Oh my gosh. What's wrong? Okay. Oh my god, they're terrifying. Look how Soldier looks. Actually, guys, I'm giving Max away. If you don't know who Max is, it's that cat right there. He's a kitten. I know, he's terrifying with his scary looking things. He's a black tiger. He's so scary. And there's a tiger. There's a real tiger right there. I'm scared of them. I'm scared of them. I'm scared of them. You can see right there. I'm scared of them. Oh my gosh. What did I just... Oh, look there. Ew. That sound. It's disgusting. What the hell? How is he walking on water? How is he walking on water? How? Just how? Goodbye, guys. No, just kidding. They're terrifying. Why is used math? Those are all my maps. And you're laying on it. Filthy little grubs. If you don't know, they're actually stray cats. Let me adjust the camera. Yeah. They're actually stray cats. They're stray cats. Oh, my mom just sent me something. Okay, anyways, that's it for today. Goodbye, guys. See you later. These things are disgusting. Why are they near me?